Let's start the chapter trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is it is the branch of mathematics which tells about the relationship between angles and sides of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, if ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B, then ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so basically trigonometry words comes from the Greek where tri means three, gon means sides, metron means measurement. Basically, trigonometry tells about the three sides measurement relationship between triangle. Okay, let's start. Now, this is the basic introduction of trigonometry. Now, just look at the ratios of trigonometry. If we see ratios of trigonometry, so basically if ABC is a triangle, 90° at B, right angled at B. Let's talk about theta. Theta is a Greek word that stands for the acute angle of a triangle. Now, if we say acute angle of a triangle, then it may be A or it may be C. Now, if we see in a right angle triangle, one is perpendicular and other is base and hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is fixed, which is opposite to 90°. Now just come to the perpendicular and base. If we see, let C be a theta angle, then opposite side of theta you will consider as perpendicular and side with theta is base. Always. Now some trigonometric ratios are basically the ratios between the sides of the triangle. This is, if we talk about first ratio, that is sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now if you see perpendicular is here AB upon BC. Okay, next is cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse. That is, if you see base, now base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Okay, see, next is tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is AB upon base is BC. Okay, then cosec theta. If you see cosec theta, that is H upon P. That is hypotenuse is basically AC and perpendicular is AB. Now next ratio is sec theta. Sec theta is base upon hypotenuse upon base. That is AC upon BC. Next is, and the last ratio is cot theta. Cot theta is B upon P, that is base is BC and perpendicular is AB. Now these are the 6 trigonometric ratios here we have in trigonometry. Now let's talk about the identities of trigonometry. See, if we see the trigonometric identities, then sine theta is basically 1 upon cosec theta. Okay, so this is okay. Next is cos theta is basically 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is cos sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Now if we see in a triangle, right angle triangle, this is 90, A, B, C, we have previous theta angle. Then sin theta is P upon H, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. This is basically 1 upon P upon H. Then H goes upwards, then H upon P, which is our cosec theta. If we see cos theta is basically B upon H, and 1 upon cos theta is 1 upon B upon H, that is H upon B, which is sec theta. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, that is P upon H and B upon H. H is cancelled by H, that is P upon B, which is tan theta. Last and least is cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, which is also equal to cos theta is basically B upon H and sin theta is P upon H, that is we got B upon P, which is cot theta. Now this is the basic reciprocal relations between the trigonometric ratios. Pause.